Hello everyone, Baron Bruno and Bren Bruno with Professionals FIJI Real Estate, #1 real estate agency in Fiji, 333 island nation in the South Pacific. We are looking at right now Port Denarau Marina, which is one of the biggest attractions in this country. They've said up to 40, 60, almost 80% of the people coming to this country are going right through there. That's another reason why we actually have our real estate offices right over there. We're looking at the backside of Nandina Restaurant and some of the other restaurants wrapping around the corner over there. Amalfi Italian Restaurant, Cardo's, and Bonefish, and a number of others. And you can see the cruise ships just there. That's all the inter-island boat transfers, sunset cruises, fishing charter boats, all the catamarans. People from around the world are docking their boats there. So this is a very, very, very popular place in Fiji for you to come and enjoy. And guess what? You can do just that. Not only can you come enjoy it, but you can bring toys like this that's hiding behind those palm trees, beautiful boat like that, and you can build your dream home just like something right there. Look at that. You imagine the ideas that you've had in your head for years, your family, your friends. If you're a professional, if you're retired, if you're looking for the Fiji lifestyle, we are standing on it right now. All we need is you to get here and enjoy it yourself. We have a freehold piece of land that we're standing on right now. It's 1,124 square meters. For my friends in the United States, that's over 12,000 square feet. And for everybody around the world, that's 0.278 acres of freehold land property right on the waterway. You can put up your boat, jetty, and pontoon and get any boat you want, those jet skis. This is a really fun place to go kayaking, or if you want to get on that stand-up paddleboard. The sky's the limit. This is what you can do. You can live it every single day. And guess what? Moments away, all the life's nightlife, restaurants, shopping is literally right there. So we look forward to hearing from you soon. Call us to learn more about this. Another bonus that is really exciting about this property is that it comes with plans that have been approved by Denarau Corporation, which runs the body corporate, or as we say in the United States, the homeowners association associated in this master plan gated luxury island community on the main island of Fiji. And we are about 20 minutes from the international airport and Nandi town, spelled N-A-D-I. So this is what you've been thinking about. I know you have, because you're watching this video for a reason. No matter where you are in the world, no matter what the weather's like, this is what you've been thinking about, and we can deliver it to you. Not only the land, but if you're looking for a good builder, an architect, and all the fun toys, speaking of, ooh, wouldn't you like that? Let's close up on that. All this is here waiting for you. We're just waiting for you to get here. Go to professionalsfiji.com, call us at +679 999 2051, and we'll be waiting right here for you. Have a beautiful day, and we'll see you soon. Vanaka.